Good morning, everyone. Now, last time in adjectives we had studied up to page number 22, right? We use article the with superlative degree. That last point we studied. Now, let us revise once again. No comparison, positive degree. Comparing two things, we use comparative degree. Comparing more than two things, we use superlative degree. And then often used with comparative degree. Then is often used with comparative degree. The often used with superlative degree, right? That we have done. Now, correct use of adjectives. Let us study some and any. Some is used in affirmative sentences, any in negative sentences, right? When you are talking about some negative meaning, you use any. Whereas if you are talking something affirmative, you use some. Let us study. I have already purchased some books. I have not purchased any books, right? So this one is in positive sense. This one is in negative sense. That is why any is used. What do we use in interrogative sentences? Do you have some money? Do you have any money? Both these sentences are correct. But we use some if any affirmative answer is expected. And any if is negative is a negative answer is expected, right? If we expect any negative answer, we use any. But if we expect any negative answer, we use any. If we expect any positive answer, we use some. So, but we use some if an affirmative answer is expected. Underline that. And further, and any if a negative answer is expected. I am feeling hungry. Could you give me some bread to eat? We have used some because we expect an affirmative answer. Yes, might be the answer. That is why we are using some over here. I hope you can do the work yourself. Do you need any help? Here any means we have used any because we expect a negative answer. Maybe the person who is in front of you might say that no, I do not want any help, right? That in that sense it is being used. Now let us move on to the exercise. Exercise 5, fill in the blanks with some or any. First, we are sending dash medicines and clothes for the earthquake victims. Some medicines and clothes, right? Unfortunately, there aren't dash girls in the class. Any girls in the class. There must be some. Then Pooja does not have dash background of classical music. Any background of classical music. She should be trained by some good classical singer. This team has some quality spinners, but there aren't any good pace bowlers. My stamp album has some stamps from France, but I don't have any from Germany. There are some seats vacant in class 9th, but there aren't any in class 10th. In class 11, sorry. I need some 1 rupee notes. Do you have any, right? When you expect a negative answer, you use any. When you expect a positive answer, you use some. So, I will share the answer key. I will share a photograph of this so that you can complete the fill in the blank section in the textbook itself. No need to write this in your notebook. Write down the points that we have underlined. Now let us do much and many. Much means a large quantity of. It is used with uncountables. Mostly much is used with uncountables, right? Where you cannot count. Much ink, much sorrow, right? Much ink, much sorrow. Write down the examples. Then many means large number of. It is used with the plurals of countables, right? It is used with the plurals of countables. For example, many books, many years. Write down these examples also. So let us move on with the fill in the blanks. Exercise 6, fill in the blanks with much or many. How many kilograms of rice did you buy? Here we use many because kilograms is countable. Then how much did the rice cost you? Now here money is uncountable commodity. So that is why we use much here. Then number 3, did you require many bags to carry the rice? Bags are countable, so we use many. Many bags are needed to carry the rice. Then further, fourth one, many of the bags were not strong enough to carry the weight of the rice. Many of the bags. Why? Because bags are countable. So much of the bags we cannot say. Then number 5, much rice was wasted on the way itself, right? Rice is uncountable, so we use much over here. Then sixth one, I called up the store many times to complain. Many times is countable, so we use many. Then seventh one, I don't have much hope that they will make up for the loss. I don't have much hope. Hope is uncountable, so we use much here, right? It's very clear and easy. Now little and few. Little is used with uncountables, few is used with countables. For example, little help, little hope. Few friends, few books, right? Write down each example for both. Now little, a little, the little. Little is almost none. Little is almost a negative adjective. A little is at least some, right? And the little means the whole, through very little, though very little, right? The whole, though very little. I have little money. I cannot buy chocolates for you. Examples of each. You have to write all the examples so that you be clear about use of all the three. Little, a little and the little, right? That's very important. So next one. I have a little money. I can afford to buy a bar of chocolate with it. I bought a bar of chocolate with the little money I had. मतलब थोड़ा पैसा था, उसमें से मैंने तुम्हारे लिए बार ऑफ चॉकलेट खरीदा. यहाँ पे मीनिंग होता है आई हैव लिटिल मनी, आई कैन अफोर्ड टू बाय अ चॉकलेट, बार ऑफ चॉकलेट विथ इट. वो क्या बोल रहा है, थोड़ा सा पैसा है, उसमें से आपके लिए बार ऑफ चॉकलेट खरीद सकता हूँ. देन आई हैव लिटिल मनी, आई कैन नॉट बाय चॉकलेट्स फॉर यू. आई हैव लिटिल मनी मतलब मेरे पास थोड़ा सा ही पैसा है, उसमें से मैं चॉकलेट खरीद नहीं सकता हूँ. देन सेम वे few, a few, the few. Few is used for not many, in fact almost none. A few is used for at least some. And the few, all of them, through very few, though very few, right? सब पूरा but उसमें से काफ़ी कम. A few यानी at least some, थोड़ा सा. And few, not many. In fact, mostly, almost none, right? Few friends visit me. Examples, write all. Few friends visit me, so I am often lonely. Sometimes a few friends visit me and we have a nice time. And the few friends that I have visit me very rarely, right? मतलब जो few friends हैं मेरे, वो मुझे काफ़ी कम बार मिलने आते हैं. Few friends visit me, so I am often lonely. मतलब काफ़ी कम friends मुझे मिलने आते हैं. Sometimes a few friends visit me and we have a nice time. कभी कभी थोड़े से friends मुझे मिलने आते हैं, right? Now let us solve the exercise. Fill in the blanks with little, a little, the little, few, a few, or the few, right? There is dash honey left in this bottle. A little honey, right? It is a little honey. There is a little honey left in this bottle. We shall have to buy a new bottle. There are still tickets available for this show. A few tickets, it will be. A few tickets available for this show. We will be staying at Kullu for only dash days. For only few days. At the child, all the child needs is dash encouragement. A little encouragement. Dash rooms that the manager showed us were dark and dingy. The little rooms, the few rooms, the few होना चाहिए, right? The few rooms that the manager showed us were dark and dingy. I saw quite dash dresses. Quite a few dresses. But did not like any. Dash work he had done was of poor quality. The little work he had done was of poor quality. कौन सा वर्क पुअर था? The little, जो छोटा सा काम उसने किया था वो. So much water had collected in the underpass that dash people had the courage to enter it. So much water had collected in the underpass that a few people had the courage to enter it. The supermarket is dash cheaper than the other shops. A little cheaper than the other shops. We need dash more time to prepare for the debate. We need a little more time to prepare for the debate, right? Then further, elder, eldest, older, oldest. Elder and eldest are used with close family relations like daughters, sons, sisters, brothers, etc. My eldest brother or sister or daughter has won the Best Athletes Award. Elder is not followed by than. So if we have to use than, we must use the word older. अगर हमको older use करना है, अगर than use करना है तो हम older use करते हैं, right? Elder के साथ than use करते नहीं हैं. Elder and eldest are used with close family relations like daughters, sons, sisters and brothers. एक example लिखो इसमें से. Shuchi is older than Vandita. Older लिखा है इसलिए than use किया है, right? So write down this also example. Okay, further, elder is not followed by than. Okay, this much is okay. Then older and oldest denote age. They can be used with both persons and things. Neeraj is older than Pankaj. Now here older word shows the age. Mr. Mohanlal is the oldest person in our colony. This is the oldest pair of shoes I have, right? So older is used mostly to show the age or of place or of person or things also, right? And then later, latest and last. Later and latest denote time. Latter and last denote position, right? जब पोजीशन हमें बात करनी होती है तो हम लैटर वाला यूज़ करते हैं या लास्ट वाला यूज़ करते हैं. वी शैल बी गोइंग टू द हिल्स इन द लेटर पार्ट ऑफ अप्रैल. व्हाट इज़ द लेटेस्ट न्यूज़, राइट? लेटर पार्ट ऑफ अप्रैल मतलब बाद में, अप्रैल के पीछे वाले पार्ट में, राइट? लेटर पार्ट ऑफ अप्रैल. व्हाट इज़ द लेटेस्ट न्यूज़? अभी का लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ क्या है ये? टोपालोव एंड आनंद एंटर्ड द फाइनल्स. The latter won the match. The latter मतलब पीछे वाला, latter मतलब आनंद. Anand won the match, right? Write down all these examples. They are important so that they'll tell you what latter and latest is used for. She prefers to sit on the last bench, right? Now here we stop today. We will do from near next time. I stop here today. Write down all the important points and fill in the blanks. Answers इसमें ही रखो. नोटबुक में नो कॉपी डाउन करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. जस्ट गो थ्रू देम, रीड वंस. सारे अंडरलाइन पॉइंट्स जो है वो आपको आपकी नोटबुक में लिखना है और इसके आंसर कीज मैं ये वीडियो के साथ ही अटैच कर दूंगी तो आप देख लेना एक बार अगर लिखा नहीं है तो. वैसे तो मैंने सॉल्व करवाया है वीडियो में, बट फिर भी इफ़ यू हैव अ कन्फ्यूजन यू जस्ट गो थ्रू द आंसर कीज दैट आई विल अटैच विथ इट. एंड फ्रॉम नियरेस्ट and next we will start further next time.